Mr. Yes.
Now explain Judge Judy disabled dad wants child support back part 1. What happened in part 1? Who is in court? Plaintiff, the dad, he is disabled and gets disability money. Defendant, the mom of his child. What dad says happened? The dad says 3 years ago the court ordered me to pay child support. At that time I had a job. Then I got hurt and became disabled. I can't work anymore. I only get $900 a month from disability. I told the child support office I lost my job and asked them to lower my payments, but they never changed it. So the money kept coming out of my disability check. Now I am $800 behind and want that money back. He shows disability papers in proof. He asked to change it. Mom sighed. The mom says, I didn't know he was disabled. He still had to pay for food, clothes, and school for our kid. I never got that money. The state, they took it from him, not me. If he gives the money back, how will I take care of our child? She says it's not fair to her. Judge Judy first questions. Judge Judy asks, Sir, did you go back to court to legally change the child support order? Ma'am, did you know he was on disability? Who has $800 now, the state or you? Judge Judy says child support orders don't change by themselves. You have to go to court, and disability money is different from jobs money. Main points in part 1. The problem: disabled dad paid child support he couldn't afford. Dad wants the $800 back because he was disabled. Mom says she needs that money for the child. Judge sets up. Did dad follow the legal steps to lower stop support? And who should lose the money? Part 1 ends with Judge Judy asking for court papers to see if the dad ever officially asked to change the order. Line summary: a disabled dad says he overpaid child support for 3 years and now wants $800 back from the mom. Disabled dad wants child support back part 2. What happened in part 2? The court papers. Judge looks at the documents that shows proof that he went to Social Security and got approved for disability 3 years ago. Problem: he never went back to money to court to legally lower the child support order. He only called the child support office for the papers. Judge Judy explains the law. Judge Judy to dad, listen, calling the child support office is not enough. Court order is like a contract. It doesn't change until a judge signs a new paper. The law says child support can only be changed from the date you file in court, not from the date you got disabled. She says this is the rule in almost every state. Where is the money? Judge Judy asks, who has the $800? Answer: the state took it directly out of his disability check and sent it to the mom. Mom says, I already spent it on rent, food, and diapers for our kid. Judge Judy gets tough to dad. I feel bad for you. Being disabled is hard. But you can't just stop paying or hope they'll lower it. You had to go to court. To mom, you didn't do anything wrong. You were using the money for your child. Decision set up. Judge Judy says the law is clear. I cannot order the mom to give the money back. That money was legally owed at the time, but from today forward we'll lower your child support to match your disability income. Main points in part 2. Big mistake: dad didn't file in court to change the order. The law: child support only changes from the day you ask a judge. The money: mom already spent it on the child, so she doesn't have to pay it back. Good news: dad's future payments will be lowered. Online summary: Judge Judy rules the dad can't get the $800 back because he never went to court, but his payments will be lower from now on. Judge Judy disabled dad wants child support back part 3. What happened in part 3? The final ruling. Judge Judy says, Sir, I understand you are disabled and money is tight, but the law is the law. I can't make the mom give back the $800 at the time you legally owed that money because you never went to court to change the order. Case dismissed for the back money. The good news for dad, Judge Judy continues. However, starting this month, your child support will be lowered. We will use your $900 disability income to calculate it. So instead of $400 a month, you will now pay around $90 a month. She tells him to go file the papers today so it's official. Judge Judy advised to go to dad next time your life changes, job loss, disability, anything, go to court immediately. Don't wait 3 years. To mom, I know this is hard for you too, but the child support will still come every month, just a smaller amount. Towards Judge Judy, you both made a child together. Now you both have to be responsible. Go take care of your child. Main points in part 3. Decision. Dad doesn't get the $800 back. Future. His child support is lowered to match his disability income. Moral. Legal papers matter. You must go to court to change anything. Line summary. Judge Judy says no refund for past payments but orders lower child support starting now. If your situation changes, go to court right away, hoping it will fix itself, cost you money.